We have a very nice probability problem. 20% students play football in a school, 25% students play cricket, 35% students play football or cricket. We have to find the probability of students who play both football and cricket. The formula to get this problem is probability of A union B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection of B. Here probability of A is the percentage of students who play football. So we can write probability of A equals 20%, or we can write this in decimal, which is 0.2, and probability of B is the percentage of students who play cricket, which is 25%. So we can write probability of B is 25%, or we can write in decimal 0.25. Now in the question it is given that 35% students play football or cricket, and this is denoted by probability of A union B. When this keyword or is given, we have to use the probability of A union B. So we can write probability of A union B equals the percentage of students who play football or cricket, which is 35%. So we can write 35% equals 0.35. Then we can see from the formula we have the value of probability of A union B, we have the value of probability of A, we have the value of probability of B. We can find the value of probability of A intersection B. So we can put the values on the equation. 0.35 equals probability of A is 0.2, 0.2 plus probability of B is 0.25, 0.25 minus probability of A intersection B. Probability of A intersection B is the desired value of students who play both football and cricket. When there is and given, this denotes to probability of A intersection B. So now we can take probability of A intersection B on the left side, and we can write probability of A intersection B equals 0.2 plus 0.25 minus 0.35, or we can write probability of A intersection B equals, if we add these two, we get 0.45 minus 0.35. From here we get probability of A intersection B equals 0.1. or in percentage 10%. So probability of A intersection B is 10%. So this means the percentage of students who plays football and cricket is 10%. So the value of probability of A intersection B is 10%. So this is the solution of our problem. Thanks for watching the video.